Pregnancy glow hacks you must try. Hey, mama-to-be! That radiant glow everyone talks about? It's real! But let's be honest, pregnancy can also bring dryness, dullness, or breakouts. Don't worry, we've got you covered with fun and simple glow-up hacks to keep your skin sparkling and your confidence soaring. Glow starts from within, so grab that water bottle. Staying hydrated flushes toxins and keeps your skin plump. Spice it up with fresh fruits like lemon or cucumber for flavor. Bonus tip: watermelon is your bestie, hydrating and oh so delicious for your cravings. Choose pregnancy-safe skincare. Pick moisturizers rich in natural oils like jojoba or almond. Got some time? DIY a soothing face mask with honey and yogurt. Gentle and affordable. Consistency is key, and your skin will reward you with that dreamy pregnancy glow. Snack smart. Omega-3 rich foods like avocado and salmon boost skin elasticity. Don't skip your leafy greens. They feed both your body and your glow. Why stop there? Oranges and berries are perfect for that vitamin C boost your skin craves. Your glow-up journey starts today. Try these hacks and watch the magic happen. Share this video with fellow moms-to-be who'd love this guide. Glow like the queen you are. Hydrated, pampered, and fueled with love. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more mom-friendly tips.